Welcome to Tropical Boots Line Dancing. My name is Trent Duncan, and we're going to be doing a tutorial on the dance Half Past Tipsy. This is a 48 count 4-wall improver line dance choreographed by Maddison. It has one restart and one tag with restart. So let's get into it. Facing your front wall, your first 8 counts, you'll be doing a step out with the right, out with the left, flick the right behind, step to the side, flick the left behind, step to the side, step the right behind, and the left into a quarter turn. What that looks like is going step right, step left, you're going to flick, and then step, and then with the left, flick, and step. You're going to step the right behind, and then as you step onto the left to the side, you're actually going to turn a quarter turn to face your 9 o'clock wall. Your next section of 8, you're going to stop the right forward, twist, twist, kick, back, tap, and into a quarter turn scuff. What that looks like is stomp your right forward, twist your right heel out, in, low kick with the right, step back on the right, tap the left beside it. Stepping forward onto that left, you're going to be turning a quarter turn to your left shoulder, so you're going to face your 6 o'clock or rear wall and scuff the right through. Let's repeat those 2 sections together. Turn around, face the front, weight is on our left, 7, and we go step, step, flick, step, behind, quarter, step, twist, twist, kick, back, tap, quarter turn, scuff. From here, you'll be taking a vine to the right and a vine to the left. So we go right side, behind, side, tap, and then left, behind, left, scuff. Let's go back and add that on to our first 2 sections of 8. From the beginning, weight on left, 7, and we go right, left, flick, step, behind, quarter, step, twist, twist, kick, back, tap, quarter turn, scuff, vine right, and tap, vine left, and scuff. Your next section here is a cross rock, cross rock again, and step side and hold. So what that will look like is going across and rock back onto the left, stepping onto the right side, rock the weight onto the left, step across with that right again, rock the weight back onto the left, step the right side, and hold. Let's go and add those sections together. Facing your front wall, weight on your left, 7, and we go right, left, flick, step, behind, quarter, step, twist, twist, kick, back, tap, quarter turn, scuff, vine right, and tap, vine left, and scuff, and we cross, rock, side, rock, cross, rock, side, hold. Your next section here is a cross rock with the left, side rock to the left, and then a quarter left turn box step to end up facing your left shoulder or your 3 o'clock wall. What that looks like is going across with the left, rock the weight back onto the right, step the left to the side, rock the weight onto the right, then stepping across with that left, stepping back with the right, turning a quarter turn left, and then scuff as the final step. Let's add that together, and we've got the last little section to put together. Facing the front, weight on your left, 7, and we go right, left, flick, step, behind, quarter, step, twist, twist, kick, back, tap, quarter turn, scuff, vine right, 2, 3, tap, vine left, 2, 3 with a scuff, cross rock, side rock, cross rock, step right side, hold, cross rock, side rock, left quarter turn box step with a scuff. Excellent. From here, the next section will be doing a right toe heel, left half pivot, and a left toe heel, left half pivot. So you go toe, heel, step left half pivot, left toe heel, right half pivot. You've now finished the dance and you're ready to start on your new wall. Let's walk through all sections together. Facing the front, weight is on our left, 7, and we go step, flick, step, behind, quarter, step, twist, twist, kick, back, tap, quarter turn, scuff, vine right, and vine left with our cross rock and a side rock, cross rock, step side and hold, cross rock again, side rock, left quarter turn box step with a scuff, toe heel and a half pivot, toe heel and a half pivot. You ready to start again? Step, flick, step. You're now facing your new wall, ready to start the dance again. The restart for this dance will be on wall 3, which is your rear wall or 6 o'clock wall. You will dance up to the first 24 counts, which is your vine right and vine left, and then you will restart the dance facing your front wall. Why don't we practice that one section together? Facing your rear wall, weight is on the left, going from the very beginning of the dance, stepping right, left, and flick, 7, and we go right, left, flick, step, behind, quarter, step, twist, twist, kick, back, tap, quarter turn, scuff, vine right, and tap, vine left, and scuff, restart, step, step, flick, step, flick, step. The tag and restart will happen on wall 7, which will be facing your 9 o'clock wall, and you'll restart to your 3 o'clock wall. So if we face our 9 o'clock wall and we start the dance from the beginning, you'll be going up to count 32, which is the cross rock, and side hold, which is just after the 2 vines. So starting from the beginning, facing the 9 o'clock wall, weight is on our left, 7, and we go step, step, flick, step, behind, quarter, step, twist, twist, kick, back, tap, quarter turn, scuff, vine right, vine left and scuff with a cross rock and a side rock, cross rock again, step side and hold it there. This is where your tag will then start. Your tag is going to slow down with this piece of music. All the strong beat in the music will disappear and you'll be left with just words, and the words are shot, gun, one. And the steps will be stepping the left across the right for the word shot, stepping back on the right for the word one, and stepping the left to the left side for the word one. And as you do that, you're going to raise your right arm up with your finger as the numeral 1. The music will restart when the heavy beat comes back in, and you restart the dance again with the step, step. So as you raise your arm up, make sure you'll move your weight over to your left, ready to get started with the dance to kick back in. Hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and go over to our demo and demo with call if you would like to practice it along. And of course, I'll see you in the next video.